He's the guy who's the talk of the town with the restless gun. Don't you bother to fool him around. Keeps the varmints on the run, boy. Keeps the varmints on the run. You may think he's a sleepy type guy, always takes his time. Soon I know you'll be changing your mind when you've seen him use a gun, boy. When you've seen him use a gun. He's the top of the West, always cool, he's the best. He keeps alive with his Colt 45. To fool him around when you've seen him use a gun, boy. When you've seen him use a gun. He's the top of the West, always cool, he's the best. He keeps alive with this Colt 45. Who's the guy who's riding to town in the prairie sun? You won't bother to fool him around when you've seen him use a gun, boy. When you've seen him use his gun.
Shout, Mr. Lion, don't bite me. Shout out if you wanna go free. I'm here when you call and I answer you all. Row, row, row. Some people are nice to lions. Some people are nice to hippos. We better think twice, let's try and be nice. Wow, wow, wow. Men are mad and lions are wild, that's what most people say. But I have a scene that matches me, and lions just like to play. I know I'm not wrong, it's not this song that makes me feel this way. But lions are mad and men are wild, and children just like to play. So please, Mr. Man, don't shoot me, don't catch me, don't take me away. It's here where I live, let's forget and forgive. Wow!